value based question. A trust invested some money in two types of bonds. The first bond pays 10% interest and the second bond pays 12% interest. The trust received rupees 2800 as interest. However, if trust had interchanged money in bonds, they would have got rupees 100 less as interest. Using matrix method, find the amount invested by the trust. Now, interest received on this amount will be given to Helpage India as donation. So, which value is reflected in this question? Now, let us start it. Let rupees X be invested in first type of bond and rupees Y be invested in second type of bond. Now, let A be the capital A, we are writing let A be the investment matrix and B be the interest per rupee matrix. So, now we are writing both in the form of matrix. Then what we are having, A is equal to XY and B is equal to 10% and 12%. Okay, we have written in the matrix form now. Now, total annual income. Now, total annual income for the interest or total annual interest. Total annual interest AB is equal to 2,800 we are having. AB is equal to 2,800. Now, we can write it XY with 10 upon 100 and 12 upon 100 is equal to 2800. Or writing this in the equation form, what we are getting, 10x plus 12y, 10 upon 100x plus 12 upon 100y is equal to, I am directly writing it 28000 now. Okay, one thing. Now, in the question it is given if they are interchanging the investment. Okay, so if money invested in bond invested in the bonds had been interchanged, now what they are saying, money in the bond they would have got rupees 100 less as interest. Now, if the money in bonds had been interchanged, then rupees 100 as interest will be received less. Now, what the equation will be? Therefore, 12x plus 10y is equal to this one. Now, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, writing in matrix form. Now these are the two equations. First is this one and then is this one. Now 10, 12, 12, 10. What we are having? 10, 12, 12, 10 with xy is equal to okay. Now let P is equal to 10, 12, 12, 10. X is equal to xy, Q is equal to now determinant of P is equal to 100 minus 144, this is equal to minus 44. Now is not equal to 0, therefore P inverse exists. One thing. Now cofactors, adjoint of A is equal to, now adjoint of A is what? Cofactors, transpose of the cofactors. So we are having now P inverse is equal to 1 of determinant of P with adjoint P. Now this is equal to one upon minus 44 with now let us solve it. I am using this space, okay. Now x is equal to 1 upon minus 44 with 10 minus 12 minus 12 10 with 28000 and 27000. Now x is equal to minus 1 upon 44 with now 10 with 2 8, so we are having 28000 4 times 0 minus 12 with 27, 12 7 is 84, 12 2 is 24 and it will become now 324. Okay. Then 12 with 28 plus 10 with 27 on solving what we are having okay. So total amount invested by the trust in two types of bonds is rupees 'money invested in first bond and in second bond answer. This is answer. Now last thing left, which value is reflected in this question? Now according to me, answer this, there can be lot of different answers according to your vocabulary, what you are thinking. Now according to me, the trust, which value is left in the question? As the amount is invested in given to the Helpage India as donation, so helping and caring nature of trust is reflected. Okay, so like this we can go.